everyone, good evening. You want to know my page? So Sell ITV, that the first time, and then this one is my Facebook account. This one my messenger, I log in. This one is my new account because the one lady is reported my account, and this one is my feed, and this one is my trends. This one TikTok, me, I'm sexy. Yesterday's photo, this one is yesterday's photo. Yesterday's photo. So I don't hide anything. So this one is my third account, my beloved Sheikh Hamdan. So this one is my third account. I just want to share. This is my page. My page is one, and then this one is my account again. So I have only 3 Facebook accounts. So this one is my Gmail. This one is Pinterest, TikTok, to my Twitter, my
Guys,
beloved. I
live
get
tayo
live here
ngayon.
in my
Live
job.
tayo ngayon. Kasi mag-prepare ako ng
So now in Facebook is I have 19 around 19,000 followers.
spare ribs.
Tomorrow is about
Pork
19,000
steam, pork
because
spare
now
ribs.
is
I need to steam.
18,000
So I mix this onion.
60 plus. So tomorrow maybe around 19,000. So they following me and they trust me, okay? If those don't believe me, thank you very much.